Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Apriliani. I'm from class 12 TGKT 2. Today I would like to explain and demonstrate how to set an IP address on a computer. This topic is very important, especially for students in the TGKT major, because it is one of the basic skills in computer networking. Okay, before I start the demonstration, I would like to explain a little about my analytical exposition text. In my text, I explain about the importance of setting an IP address in computer networking. Setting an IP address is very important because it allows devices to communicate with each other. Without an IP address, a device cannot send or retrieve data in a network. For example, when we access the internet, our device need an IP address to connect to a server. The server will send data back to our device using that IP address. So, IP address is play a very important role in communicate between devices. In addition, setting an IP address also help in managing the network. It makes it easier to identify device and organize connection. Moreover, it also helps in troubleshooting network problem. If there is an error, we can check the IP address to find the problem. Okay, besides that, IP address is also important for identifying each device in a network. Each device must have a different IP address so there is no conflict. If two devices use the same IP address, it can use network problem. Therefore, understanding how to set an IP address is an essential skill for students in the TGKT major. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to set an IP address step by step. First, I open the control panel. As you can see here, this is the control panel. Okay, then I click network and internet section. As you can see, this menu is related to network configuration. Not only network but also hardware and software settings to manage internet and connection settings. Okay, next I select network and sharing center. As you can see here, we can see the network status and connection. We can also check whether the network connection or not. Okay, after that I click on change adapter settings. As you can see, there are several network connection. For example, Ethernet for cable connection and Wi-Fi for wireless connection. Okay, then I right click on Ethernet and choose properties. This is where we configuration the network setting. Okay, next I select Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. IPv4 is commonly used for IP address configuration. Okay, then I click properties. I here choose using the following IP address. Now I enter the IP address 1.192 point 1, 6 H point 10 point 1. As you can see, this is an example of a private IP address used in local network. This type is IP address is commonly used in homes, school, and events. Okay, next I enter subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The subnet mask is used to determine the network and host part. It helps the system understand the structure of the network. Okay, then I enter the full gateway 192.68.10.2. 10.2 ya guys. Okay, finally I click OK to save the configuration. Now the IP address has been successfully set. Okay, now I click the connection. First, I open control panel and then I type ping 192 point 168 point 10.1. Ping is command used to test the connection between devices. As you can see, the reply showed that the connection is successful. Okay, the result show reply. It means the connection working properly. But if it show request timeout, it means there is problem. So we need to check the configuration again. Okay, in conclusion, setting an IP address is very important in computer networking. It helps devices communicate with each other, improves network management, and makes troubleshooting easier. This skill is very useful, especially for students in TGKT, because it is often used in real situations. By learning and practicing this, we can improve our knowledge and be ready for future careers in networking. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.